That's my V8 Dyson vacuum, and the battery just died. And I just ordered this one-day delivery from Amazon to replace the battery on the V8 Dyson vacuum. I like the new packaging on Amazon. The whole advertising thing going on. This is the warning for a battery. And I guess this is a movie that's coming out soon. Wonder Park. I guess my kids are going to want to see this. Let's open it up. If this has any information. It's a, I believe 3500 milliamp battery or mAh capacity. There was a larger capacity one on Amazon, but I saw on the negative reviews that because it was larger, people were having more difficulty putting it in. So I didn't want to go through that, so I bought the same standard battery that comes with the V8. So yeah, that's everything in the box. And this is the paperwork that comes in it. And that's not my language. There it goes. User manual. Okay. Awesome. So I'm going to charge it first before I put it on. So this is how it comes. It's going to replace the bottom of that one. And suppose it's just 2 screws. So we'll find that out. And that's everything in the back. Looks about the same size. Has the light indicator to let you know it was fully charged. And I guess this is what'll go inside to make the connection to give the device the power. So I'm assuming, because this is like that that's a case. I'm not sure. So that may be a case totally wrapping around. Once I take it out, it'll just look just like this. So we'll see when we take it apart. But for now, let me charge up the battery first. I'll just plug it in there. This is my charging location. Okay, so if this is in there, it should fit like this. Right inside, charging. Okay, awesome. So it is charging, as you can see. All right, let's charge it up, put it in, and see what happens. So there's 2 screws. I took all the filters out and the extension out. And there's 2 screws to get to the battery. One is right here, and I think the other one's underneath here. So let me look. So let me take, I believe I have to take it apart. Great. My wife's not going to be happy about that. I think I have to pull on this. Is it? No. Press that. Let me see what happens. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So that I need to take out. So that was pressing this little clip right here. So that's out. And there's another screw somewhere around here I'm supposed to take out. And the other screws are going to be these 2. This one and this one. So it's going to be that one and these two. I don't think I needed to take everything out, but anyway, I'll just clean it out anyway. Yeah, they're all the same size screws. Okay. So now, I believe this, will this slip out? Ah, it is the whole battery. I thought it was a casing. So this is the whole battery itself. Don't tell my wife I'm doing this on her sofa. Okay, it's the same exact type of battery. All right. I thought this was a casing, a cover, but it's actually a battery. So the other battery looks totally different. So that's where it slides into. Okay, the battery finished charging. Let's put it in. Okay, this is it right here, and it should go this way. Okay. Let me screw it in. Perfect. So this is the old battery. It's a more smoother look. This is the new battery. It has crevices and edges. Yeah, but you know, you'll never tell. And let's put it together to see if it's working. It's fully charged. Good as new. Awesome. All right. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.